Hi, girls.
Hi.
Uy,
Hi,
Playboy naman
hi.
eh. Pakisabi kay Sam na hindi tuloy lakad natin mamaya. Dahil may problema sa bahay.
Sure,
Ha?
wala problema.
Sige.
Sige, where's Sam?
Salamat, ha?
Balak ko. Well, as usual. Ako si Sam!
Dayan! Dayan! Dayan!
Louie!
Sa mga papuntang klase.
Hindi pwede may mga kasabay na ako, silang dalawa.
Ano naman, no?
Hindi pwede, no? At saka yun si Sam. Sam! Ayun naman si Sam eh! Sam! Hi!
Georgie, sabihan mo nga siya.
Huwag mo na sabay, kaya namimiha sa'yo. Huwag mo na sabay. Cool girls pa kami. No! Sorry na dyan si Sam eh. Sa kotse. I know! Apat lang sa kotse. Bye-bye! Hi, Louie! Bye!
Baka pwede pa.
Sorry, sorry. Ba naman? Okay? Talaga. Bye, Louie!
Anxiety.
Feel ko yata ang Sam ngayon. Mukhang maraming mangyayaring exciting.
Alam mo ba kung anong exciting?
What?
Mag-i-skip ako ng social class mamaya dahil may date kami ni Mike.
I'm sorry, Sister Red. Nagpasabi siya hindi siya pwede. May emergency daw. Daw.
Soliloquy is a passage spoken by a speaker in a poem or by a character in a play, except that there is no one present to hear him.
Sir! Sir!
Sam! Saan ka pupunta? Sam! Sasama ako kay Mike!
Sam! Cousin ko.
Anong cousin?
Kasim pala.
Okay!
Mike!
How dare you!
Ikaw, gusto mo rin?
Hindi. Hindi.
Okay.
Okay! Very good!
Are you okay?
Okay, Sister Retta. Okay yan, ah.
Sister Red, yan ang tunay na babae.
Goodbye, lover boy! Okay! Ang galing-galing mo!
Are you okay?
Goodbye!
Bye-bye, you.
Yes! Bye!
Are you okay?
Wala na yata akong pag-asa dyan sa kaibigan mong yan eh.
Pa-underdog effect ka pa. Huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa.
Hindi naman niya ako inintindi. Iniisip ko tuloy parang feeling ko gusto kong mag-give up. Wala naman nangyayari.
Alam mo, huwag kang mag-give up. Di ba may kasabihan tayong try until you get it? Basta saan ba't mapapasagot mo rin yun, ano? Basta maging mabait ka lang sa akin dahil ako ang bridge mo. Uy, pakigawa naman tong term paper ko.
Ha? Kagagawa ko lang naman ng term paper mo ah. Meron ka na naman panibago.
Sa sociology naman yun eh. Sa literature naman yan eh, no? The Apprenticeship Period of Filipino Literature and English, FX. Tsikaya mo na lang yan. Kayang-kaya mo yan, okay?
Basta ilalakad mo ko ah.
Oo ba? Gusto mo, itakbo pa kita eh. Type mo. Uy, sumante na yung deadline niya na.
Oo.
Ang bait-bait mo talaga. Alam mo, yang mga mababait na ganyan ang weakness ni Dayan. Georgie! O, yan pala si Dayan eh. Iyain mo merienda, ha?
Hi, Dayan.
Georgie, ano? Hiniram ko lang itong mga librong to kay Vian. Ano? Escape na tayo.
Ano eh? Teka lang muna, Sister Red. May sasabihin pa sa'yo si Louie eh. Di ba, Louie?
Oo.
Ano?
Ano ka ba naman? Di ba sabi mo sa akin kanina, gusto mo siyang yayaing magmerienda? Di ba?
Oo nga pala. Kasi mamaya magmimerienda ako eh. Gusto ko sanang samahan mo ko.
Busog pa ako eh. Di pwede, marami pa akong gagawin.
Ano ka ba naman, Sister Ed? Pumayag ka na naman, sandali lang naman to eh. Tama ba naman yung ginagawa mo? Ikaw na nga niyayaya, ikaw patatanggi.
Hindi nga pwede, marami pa nga akong gagawin eh. Nako, bala ka nga dyan mag-isa. Alis na ako. Dadampa akong admin eh. Bye!
Mukhang wala sa mood. Pero di bale, Sa susunod, papayag na yun. Basta, yung term paper ko, huwag mong kakalimutan.
Oo.
Forget.
Mm-mm.
Okay? O sige aalis na ako. Susundan ko pa siya para naman mailakad pa kita, okay?
Okay.
Cute ka talaga. Sige na, Vange, please.
Debbie just hit the wall. She never had it all. One Prozac a day. Husband's a CPA. Her dreams went out the door when she turned 24. Only been with one man. What happened to her plan? She was gonna be an actress. She was gonna be a star. She was gonna shake her ass on the hood of Whitesnake's car. Her yellow SUV is now the enemy. Looks at her average life and nothing has been alright since Bruce Springsteen, Madonna, way before Nirvana. There was U2 and Blondie, and music still on MTV. Her two kids in high school, they tell her that she's uncool, cause she's still preoccupied with 1985. She's seen all the classics, she knows every line. Breakfast Club, Pretty in Pink, even St. Elmo's Fire. She rocked out to Wham, not a big Limp Bizkit fan. Thought she'd get a hand on a member of Duran Duran. Where's the mini skirt made of snake skin? And who's the other guy that's singing in Van Halen? When did reality become TV? Whatever happened to sitcoms, game shows on the radio? Springsteen, Madonna, way before Nirvana. There was U2 and Blondie, and music still on MTV. Her two kids in high school, they tell her that she's uncool, cause she's still preoccupied with 1985. She hates time, make it stop. When did Motley Crue become classic rock? And when did Ozzy become an actor? Please make this stop, 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 and bring back Springsteen, Madonna, way before Nirvana. There was U2 and Blondie, and music still on MTV. Her two kids in high school, they tell her that she's uncool, cause she's still preoccupied. 1985. Springsteen, Madonna, way before Nirvana. There was U2 and Blondie, and music still on MTV. Her two kids in high school, they tell her that she's uncool, cause she's still preoccupied with 1985. We grew up in the suburbs, got guitars for Christmas, and started a punk rock band. Then we traveled the nation, became a sensation in our '82 Dodge van.